Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
Chick-Fil-A. Tell them what kind of Chick-Fil-A we are though first, lady.
Well, why do we have Chick-Fil-A, my love?
I tell you about that every weekend because it's
Fast Food Friday.
FFF in the building. I tell her every week the same thing.
Whatever. So what I have is a chicken wrap sandwich, and then I also, or chicken wrap, okay? And then I have a spicy chicken sandwich, and this has lettuce, tomato, pickles, and it also has pepper jack cheese. And then we have fries here, and my husband has the same thing, but he has some chicken nuggets.
Yeah, I never tried a chicken nuggets before.
And then
today, though.
I just have a Coca-Cola, please.
Coca-Cola, and I got what? A lemonade?
And lemonade. We wanted strawberry, but they said that they can't add strawberry due to COVID. Everything is due to COVID. So annoying. So just to let you guys know, all of this food was free. Yes, I said free.
She told you that already.
You have to use the app. Thank you, my love.
Believe it. They don't want to believe that.
So, when you have an item that's free, or if you have something that's free, you can redeem everything. If you have 10 things with your points, you can get all 10 things at once.
We like that.
So I had enough points to get my sandwiches, the fries, and the wrap, because I rack up.
That's what we do. Gotta know it.
Yes, now we don't eat Chick-Fil-A a lot.
Yeah.
And when we do eat it, it's like once in a while. But our kids love Chick-Fil-A. So every time I order their food on Fridays, I get points. Oops. Right?
And she makes sure she says save those receipts. Yeah.
And when you're doing the order online with the app, the only annoying part is, and it's not that annoying, is you have to add it one by one. Like you have to add a fry, add a sandwich, add the wrap. You know what I mean? Add the soda.
But the main thing is free.
Free.
Yep, she told you about that already. And some of y'all already doing the T-Mobile stuff already, you know? But damn, I remember when the first time I tried to switch Chick-Fil-A, I used to hide. Cause I didn't want to go out. Here, take a big bite. There you go. There you go. You want to see? Oh, you want to see what's inside of it? Okay. There you go. Sure, told you know I gotta put my mix up sauce in here and stuff like that.
That looks good though.
Good bite. Yeah, they took a good bite.
Okay. And you guys can have some of my wrap.
Oh, getting some.
How does that look?
Oh, good.
That's ranch dressing sauce.
They happy. They say, yo, you in a good mood today, huh?
I sure am.
Oh, appreciate all of y'all. We got that.
Oh, yes, 3K.
Appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying?
We couldn't have done it without you guys.
No.
No.
With all y'all help, appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? Even the one that's watching without thumbs in on the video, still appreciate y'all too. But, that's stepping stone. But, sorry, I didn't know y'all like it. Sorry, I didn't know you want French fries. I didn't even know they like the French fries. Okay, here. You can see. Put up there. There you go. Take a piece. Good.
French fries is the best.
What is it? They don't make it well done no more? Or what is it? Take time?
Take time. One thing about Chick-Fil-A, let me tell you guys something. Your order is, I've never had my order wrong. Trust me, I be looking.
Yep, we do look. She looks.
It's never wrong. Always still hot. Their customer service.
My pleasure.
My pleasure.
If they don't, I'd be waiting for them not to say my pleasure, because if they don't say, they gotta give you a free ice cream.
Yes.
Did y'all know that? If y'all didn't know,
now you know.
now y'all know. If they never say my pleasure, I think they gotta give you a, what is it called?
Ice cream or cookie.
It's an ice cream or something, yeah. So listen out if they say my pleasure. If they not say, okay, where's my ice cream? Say the greedy couple tells that.
They're going to greedy couple stuff.
Tell them that we said it. But they gotta say, I know you're somebody I didn't know that. But see, you putting your on the come ups, man. I be waiting. I don't care what they tell me about the food. I'm just waiting for they to say my pleasure. If they don't, I got them.
You do be waiting.
I be waiting, yo. We move fast though.
Yes.
I felt like this today.
I'm be honest. I'm be honest. I don't know how they do it. And do it so well.
Very good.
I just don't know how.
You're good.
Then it just, I don't know how they do it. How they can come to you with your food. It's right. You order it, like we order it on the app.
I reached there. Matter of fact, it was right in the parking lot.
In the parking lot. It was right in the parking lot. We ordered it on the app. Got their drive-thru. I said, hey, my order for Shanice. Said, oh, we got you.
Wow.
Go ahead.
It was in the parking lot. Family, we ordered it. Yep. They're fast. What you call them, what? The Publix that fast food?
Oh, the Publix are fast food. If you guys have Publix, you guys know what I mean when I say that.
Yep.
A Publix store is just as delightful. When you go there, you have a good experience. Okay? You go to Publix and you ask for something, they taking you there whether you like it or not. And if you say, no, I'm okay, I can find it. Say, you sure? They look at you like they're confused. But I like ordering on the app because the only thing that Chick-Fil-A does that annoys me, this is the only thing, is that they don't give you your full receipt. And a person like me who uses the app and I want to make sure I get my points, I don't like that. So
you don't want to miss out on nothing.
So I order on the app. Because I know if I order on the app, there's no way I'm not going to get my points.
How your racket?
Come on, I'm about to give you a piece. I know that's the only reason why you asked me how the rack tastes, so you want a piece. Friggin' greedy. Please.
Chick-fil-A. I mean, while I was driving, I was eating the french fries already.
Well, to be honest, it's hard to hold on, let me get this so you can see my mouth.
Take a bite.
Yeah, you got stuff in your mouth? Hey, you hold it. It's hard to get fries and not eat it.
You get in there?
No, duh, honey. It's a chicken wrap. What do you think is in there? Pork?
Oh. Fish. Bacon. For you. Can I have bacon, Mama?
Oh, bacon is in there too.
Bacon, nice, boy.
There's no bacon in there, guys.
First thing you do that to me.
That's all the family member need. They say, aha!
Yeah, I
I caught him!
I know you know the camera. That was funny. I'm gonna say, yeah. He eats pork off the camera.
Which he doesn't.
I don't. I know that. Listen, if I eat pork, it's a wrap. It's the whole pig. That's gonna be right here. I laugh when I seen it.
There's no way
I'm not gonna hide it.
he can sit here
Yeah. And see you eating it.
and watch me eating pork.
I know you know.
And he eats pork and don't eat none? Am I?
Don't worry. They might get a surprise.
No.
Juice too sweet.
It's sweet?
And I put ice in it too. Sweet, I don't think.
What do you guys have planned for the weekend?
Same thing, First Lady.
Like what? It can't be the same thing. It's a different weekend.
Same thing.
Well, this weekend, I'm making you some soup.
They always say the same thing. Yeah. What's your sauce? What y'all like?
Chick-Fil-A.
Yeah. We love this one.
Original.
We love the original.
The Polynesian sauce is good too. I remember. Wow, when I went to Chick-Fil-A. I'm chewing.
No, this is good.
I went to Chick-Fil-A one time. You like them?
Yeah, first time trying.
And I ordered my food and everything. When I got to the counter, like the drive-through counter, I said, "Oh, I forgot. I was a rookie then at Chick-Fil-A. So I said, I forgot to tell you my sauce. I want a Chick-Fil-A sauce." They said, "Oh, we're out of Chick-Fil-A sauce." I was like, "What?" So I said, "So how am I gonna eat my food?" And she was like, "Oh, we have Polynesian sauce. We can let you try it with some fries." It was very nice though. I tried it. I said, "It's okay, but I really want Chick-Fil-A sauce." I said, just cancel my order." She was like, "Really?" I said, "How am I gonna? I need Chick-Fil-A sauce. I have to have it." And she ended up giving me a free soda and canceled the order. I don't care.
Yep. You want the sauce? That's what I be
You gotta have that sauce.
That's what I be in. Now you know. We go hard on the sauce. We can buy the sauce in a bottle.
Yeah.
You know that.
So they know. That we love it.
My pleasure.
I work at a college, right? And on the campus, there's a Chick-Fil-A. And can you believe I've never eaten at that Chick-Fil-A before? I just don't have time. By the time it's time for my lunch, it's like, I don't feel like walking over there. But Chick-Fil-A standards is like no other. It's not like McDonald's, Wendy's. I'm telling you.
Get in the inside.
Their standards are very meticulous. Like, they don't play. The chicken nuggets, when they're fried, they have to be separate. They cannot be stuck together. It has to be golden brown all the way around. Okay? Their sandwich, they have a specific way of layering the sandwich. Like, it has to be the 3 pickles, and they cannot be separate too far apart. They have to kiss in the middle.
It's true. I just saw it in my thing.
They have to kiss in the middle. I know this because, you know, they tell me.
Yeah.
And they get inspected every single week. Somebody from corporate office comes to inspect them and make sure that they're doing exactly how they want it done. So the pickles have to be kissing in the middle. Then they put their lettuce, then they put the tomato, then they put the salmon, then they put the cheese. It's a pattern, and it has to be the same all the time. Like, has to be. And they get their lettuce. I don't know where they get it from, but their lettuce is the best lettuce. It's always crispy and green. They don't want any
brown.
No brown. It can't be wilted. It has to be crispy, fresh.
Inside scoop, you know. Food industry. No. Yep. That's true.
So, when you eat Chick-Fil-A, you know.
Yep.
They don't play.
First thing you know.
Chick-Fil-A.
Did y'all know that fact? That's a true fact? Y'all knew that?
And Chick-Fil-A, they make more money than Wendy's and McDonald's combined. And they're not open on Sundays.
She's giving you some inside facts.
They're not open on
Thank you.
Sundays.
Some inside scoop. That's true. Did y'all know that though? Oh yeah, I heard about it. Okay.
Maybe.
You heard about it.
They're very strict over there. Very, very strict. But it shows in their food. You know?
True. It is true. Mind this now. Long time if you give meat, man. Yeah, go on like you don't want to give meat.
I could have ate it too, but you're sitting there staring at me.
I didn't I'm watching you talk.
Yeah, right. You're watching no talk.
Family. I watch her tell her story and she's there feeding me. So what you want me to say no? Nice man.
I want more fries.
You want more fries? We're making the fries already. Tell me to stop me fries them.
It's a presentation. Just like how you got mad about the rice.
Yum up them and yum it off.
Like he want to sit there and eat all the rice. To my rice. He want to sit there and eat all the fries in the car. Then when we get on camera, there's gonna be no fries.
Tell them, so you eat it.
Yeah, right. They would never believe you.
Well,
That was good.
that was good. It's been a minute since we ate Chick-Fil-A.
Yeah.
Man. Whoa! And I jump. I'm gonna give y'all beautiful people a word of wisdom. Family, I had a rough week, long week. Tired. Back to the slavery tomorrow. Alright, family. First lady, family, if you want to know where your heart is, look where your mind goes when it wanders. I'm gonna say it again. Family, first lady, if you want to know where your heart is, look where your mind goes when it wanders.
Where does your mind go?
All the time I say where my mind go. When I look like this, you know where my mind go. Family, you know where my mind go. Right? So what she gonna ask me? I knew it's coming, you know. I knew she gonna ask me that. That's why I saved this one right here for her. I knew. Cause you know where my mind go when I'm looking.
No more sauce or you want Chick-Fil-A sauce?
No, I said no, the meat done. Bring them out the meat.
You gotta eat the bread. Give me my sandwich, man. You're too friggin'. All you want is meat.
Make more of my yard.
All you want is meat. Jesus.
More meat on top of meat.
Coming like that, robe on it. Beep.
I just gave the word of wisdom, and that's what that's all I want. You see my mind go.
It's meat.
But we appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate that. Thank you for like, commenting, and subscribing and share. You know what I'm saying? And for the ones that, as I said before, y'all watching the video, just thumbs it up. Yeah, click on it, just thumbs it up. That's all. You know what I'm saying? Don't gotta leave no comment if you don't want to. Just thumbs it up. We appreciate that. So you know, this is First Lady, aka Shanice. This is Richie, aka Pastor Richie, and we are the Greedy Couple. They are First Lady.
You guys are the Greedy family. Oh, that's from my mouth.
Nice, my.
Oh, we know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Happy FFF.